Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can enable share screen for participants in your call in Zoom. So what you want to do is just be in Zoom application on the mobile, and then just click here on new meeting, or like when you're gonna start the meeting. Probably you have a meeting right now, so it's connecting. And now you want to click on the right down corner to more, and then meeting settings, and you're gonna see allow participants to share screen. And now when you're gonna do this, everyone can share screen. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it works. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.